Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome back to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're checking out Google Vids, a simple way to create videos using AI. And the best part, you can do this with the free version. So let's dive in. Let's head over to Google Vids. The easiest way to get started is using the storyboard feature. For this example, I'm creating a video for our client, Dill Dinkers Pickleball in Newport, Delaware. Now I am going to describe my video. Create a promotional video for Dill Dinkers Pickleball in Newport, Delaware, highlighting open play, leagues, and weekly events. Google Vids builds out a full video outline with scenes, text, and suggested visuals. Now instead of starting from scratch, you already have a structure ready to go. Next, I can bring this to life using templates and my own content. Then I apply a template to keep everything clean and consistent. This makes it super easy to turn real content into a polished video. Now we have a drafted video with an AI voiceover and stock visuals. From here, we can customize it with Dill Dinkers brand colors and swap in real photos and videos from games, events, and the facility. We can also edit the auto-generated voiceover content or change the voice if needed. Now let's see how it's looking.
Dill Dinkers Pickleball in Newport, Delaware. Get ready to dive into the fastest growing sport in the nation. We're here to show you why Dill Dinkers is the premier destination for pickleball enthusiasts of all levels. Experience the high-energy, fast-paced fun of pickleball action right here in Newport, Delaware.
Now your video feels polished and ready for social, no recording needed. Tools like Google Vids makes it easier than ever to stay consistent with video marketing. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Google Vids. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.